The Painted Lady is better known than the Red Admiral for its migratory habits, and, in some years, the migration can be spectacular. 2009 is thought to have produced one of the greatest migrations ever, when it was estimated that 28 million butterflies arrived over a single weekend in late May. Unfortunately, it is unable to survive our winter in any stage. Originating in North Africa, adults are first seen usually in late March, but could arrive as early as January or February. Some settle to breed on the continent, and their offspring help to build numbers here in May and June as further migrants arrive. These breed and give rise to the next generation that peaks between mid-August and early October. There may be more than one brood in the British Isles each year, depending largely on the weather. There is a reverse migration in the autumn, which occurs over the whole of Europe. They are thought to fly at a height of 200 to 400 metres, taking advantage of strong following winds. Numbers reaching Africa are greater than those which arrived here earlier in the year. In typical years, the south of England receives the most immigrants. However, it has a strong flight and can be found anywhere in the British Isles. It is the only species recorded from Iceland. This butterfly can be found in almost any habitat and is a popular visitor to the buddleia in our gardens. This is one of the few species that can breed in intensive farmland, since even these sites typically contain a patch of thistles, the primary food plant. Common nettle, various mallows and viper's bugloss are also used. A newly emerged adult is a most attractive insect, flushed with a beautiful salmon pink, unlike any of our other species. Viewed with this background, the beautifully patterned underwing is exceptionally attractive. Resting on this path, the butterfly could not be better camouflaged. When a flap of the wings is the only thing giving its presence away. This colouring fades with the passage of time, and the wings become damaged as a result of nectaring on plants such as thistles and brambles. Like the Red Admiral, the presence of the Painted Lady in the British Isles is wholly dependent on immigrants from the continent, and it is also doing well here.